Hi guys, my name is Chef Muhammad. I am from Maiduri. Today I will make sardine sandwich. To make sardine sandwich, we need bread, salad, sardine, cheese, butter, and seaweed. First, spread butter on the bread. Apply sardine on the bread. Top with plenty of salad. Sardine sandwich is ready. Now let's decorate our bento box. Put salad in a box. My eyes, nose, and whiskers by using cheese and seaweed. It's time to decorate. Our sardine sandwich bento is done. That's all for me. I hope you like my video. Bye guys.